hello, what's going on? Oh my gosh, you guys are so adorable. So adorable. I've been wondering where everybody was hiding. Oops, they're all piling together. Everybody is snuggling together. Are you ready for some snacks? Oh, look at that. Oh, let's see what happens here. It's been exciting. Oops. Oh, let's get this figured out. Oops. Okay. Good job, everybody. Let's go get some snacks. Hi, Nicholas. Oh gosh, I can't wait for you guys to go home soon. Hopefully. Hopefully soon. Oh no, watch out. Oh, hello. We're ready for some snacks. And then I know the smudge. We need to deal with the smudge on camera. Hello, the smudge and the crookedness. Oh, I'm not sure actually. There, that's maybe better. Everybody's snacking. Hello. Oh, and this one. Oh, Hazeltoe. Hazeltoe says, don't bother me while I'm snacking. Oh, we got some dust in it. if anyone wants to use the catio today. Oh, and oh, it's okay, it's okay. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Good times ahead. All right. Oh, there's the native one. That's good go. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Let's see what we look like. Now maybe you'll actually see some cats today. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. I need to fix the downstairs situation. I spent like 3.5 hours trying to get the computers set up and just, you know, where the internet is run in the house, it's really hard to get it from one place to another. There's no way to get it from upstairs to downstairs. It's like a whole big thing. So I finally got it working, and then there's some sort of USB. I don't know if the cameras have gone bad down there from too many bleaching and they're drawing too much power, but anyway, I tried everything I could do last night to get it back up and running, but no dice. What do you think, Comet and Mistletoe? You're so cute. I love Mistletoe strutting around with her tail up. So cute. Adorable. Yeah, so if I can get that back up, then I'll be able to, then I'll get VIP going again. And then, but today is a little, since I spent so much time doing it yesterday and it didn't work, now I'm a little backed up today. And then we have Noel ringworm bath to do. Luckily, these guys came back negative, thank goodness. So I think I'm pretty confident that they're negative, but just so that we have scientific proof of that, we're going to do one more round of PCRs next week. And then assuming those come back negative, hoping and praying those come back negative, then we will get to send these guys home finally. What is that noise? Comet, what is that? It's so dark out there. hopefully it's just temporary. I wonder if there's a way I can do a... Hopefully that's not gonna just go on all day. Maybe if I look out and see what it is, I can come back in and open the window. But I don't want to subject everyone to that horrible buzzing noise. Yeah, that's really annoying. Okay, so let's see. Sorry, everyone. All right. Well, you've got snacks. I'll be back. I'm going to see if I can figure out what that ridiculous noise was. Okay, if someone is having their sewer pumped out, so I don't think it will be too long, hopefully. Right, buddy? So I'm gonna open the window, and you guys are probably gonna want to mute, but I don't think it'll be longer than like 5 or 10 minutes, hopefully. If it is, I'll come